Hi guys, it's Lily. I am back again today with another ThredUp unboxing mystery boxes because I don't know what came today. None of them are showing delivered. I've ordered several. There were supposed to be 3 coming today. 2 came today, so we're just going to find out together what they are. Anyway, I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, and I order these boxes way too much. So I'm excited. I'm hoping a designer box is in the mix here, but I don't think so. Both of these are from Suwanee, Georgia. I have a Coach box coming, 2 name brand handbags coming, 3 designer boxes coming, and 2 more fun boxes coming. And then I bit the bullet the other day and got another rental retiree, and I don't know why I did because I didn't sold anything out of the first one. I guess because it was there. Yeah, try to stay off of ThredUp. Alright, so let's see what the first one is here. I am winded. I have been packing orders all day. I don't know. I'm hoping everybody's been the same as me. These last 2 weekends has been crazy. I mean, between starting Friday morning, orders just start coming in. And I have, I don't know, 20 some orders I got to get packed up by morning. So I probably shouldn't do this video. Name brand handbags, this is what this is. But I can't let them sit because then I'll open them without you. Alright. Georgia. Suwanee, Georgia. Both these boxes came from Suwanee, Georgia. Okay, 5, right? Okay, well, let's just see. We had to drive to town today to go grocery shopping, and I bought them some new toys. And if you hear a lot of squeaking, sorry. Oh, gosh. Again, Suwanee, Georgia wraps their purses most individually, which I really appreciate. Again, it's kind of a nice, looks like a Michael Kors. Let's see. Yes, yes it is. It's a canvas bag. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can, they're all steamed up. Give me a second, sorry about that. I'm sweating. I'm telling you, it's almost 80 degrees here. One day it's 80, the next day it's 40. Okay. Oh yeah. Outside is in excellent condition. Strap is in excellent condition. A nice key hook. Inside is in great condition. This is probably one of the best bags I've gotten out of, I don't know, 7, 8 boxes. Some Michael Kors. Very clean. Even has a... So this one I can list without having to do anything to it, which is really nice. Very nice. Okay. There's 1. 2, a little Kate Spade. Alright, Georgia's doing me good so far. Straps, little crossbody, straps in good condition. There's no staining on that pocket. A little bit dirty here, but I have found the best stuff to clean these purses, and I'm probably gonna, there's some, looks like lipstick or something, but I bet you I can get all of that out. And one of these videos I am gonna show you guys what I use, because none of the videos I've watched have anybody mentioned what I use. So, but look how bad that is. See that? I'll show this to you maybe on the next video after the fact, or I'll clean half of it so you can see the difference. But that's nice. This will come clean. pretty color. Ooh, Rebecca Minkoff. A nice green. Oh, what kind of green is that? Obviously my brain's not working today either. But it's very clean on the outside. Don't see any wear to the chain. So Rebecca Minkoff right there. Excellent. Yeah, by far this is the best box I have gotten. It's a little dirty there, but I think that's just dirt from, you know, hands opening it in and out. That's a nice bag. Marc Jacobs. And it is Jacobs by Marc Jacobs, which I am assuming is better than Marc by Marc Jacobs. I'll have to look it up to make sure. But this is just a canvas tote. It's got the nice metal Marc Jacobs there. Very, I can't even explain the color. But I'll have to look at it in daylight, but I see no flaws, none on the strap. And beautifully clean on the inside. Wow. Yep, this is my absolute best purse bag, handbag box that I've gotten, like ever. None of those have to be any major, nothing to it. Kate Spade needs to be cleaned, but that's easy. Yeah, we've got some glasses. Kate Spade. Oh my gosh. I just ordered some Kate Spade glasses from Bagstock. No. Oh, good, that's dirt. This is what they look like. They look to be, get my shirt here. And look, my earrings from my fun box. I did wear them. They don't exactly match my shirt. They're a little heavy for me, but I like them. They're pretty. All right. I think this is just, yeah. All right, absolutely no scratches. Those are beautiful. KD. Kate Spade, New York. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh, nice and tight. I might have to keep these. I don't know. How do they look? These won't fall off. Very nice. Wow. Happy with that. Pretty lime green case. It's in good condition. And it says wink wink in there. Very nice. Very happy with this box. Yay, ThredUp. Thank you very much. I'll put it in my, this is my accessory box. Look at this. I've got Emilio Pucci glasses. I have Tory Burch. I have Michael Kors. I have Coach. I have another Tory Burch. This is my little accessory box that I keep getting from all these handbag boxes that are not listed. I have photos of the Emilio Pucci, but I've not listed them yet. All right, what is this one? Let it be just as good. I don't know, I'm nervous now. That one was too good. Coach. This is the Coach box. I love Coach. I know it's not, it doesn't bring in a whole lot of money, but if you price them right, they go. Of course, all the ones I've gotten in the past will require so much cleanup that they're part of my death pile. But I'm working on it. All right. This looks to be in good condition. Maybe a little bit of surface cleanup. The handles are good. There is no hang tag. That's a bummer. And it is dirty. Very dirty inside. Can you see all of that? I don't know if you can see all that, but it's pretty dirty. So we'll see if I can get that out. It does come all the way out, so that's good. It's got a nice creed. It's not factory. 11099. Made in China. I love the inside of that bag. So the lining's a mess. The outside is really good. Just a little bit of minor cleanup. Not bad. Okay, we have a crossbody. This with the signature C's. That's in good shape. I think these are bringing in maybe $25, $30. Not a lot. Lining is good. There's the creed. It's not factory. 44394. It does have the hang tag. Happy about that. Alright, and we have another little coach wristlet. I'm assuming this is my accessory. Outside is in great condition. It has the hang tag. Ooh, nice and purple. It's in great condition. Doesn't have a creed, but made in China tag is there. List this right away. Doesn't need any work. Ooh, look at this. The Coach cheetah print. This is metal. Yes. Okay. It's got the nice Coach hand tag. All the buttons. All the hardware says Coach. Two nice side pockets. Now this has got some staining on the inside. Beautiful color. Can you see all that? Let's see if I can get that out. This is a factory. There's Creed. F15503. Lining needs a lot of work. I don't know what it is. There's pin marks. There's all this stuff. But the outside is beautiful. I don't see any damage anywhere, unless you see it in the camera. That's unusual Coach. I like that one. I just bought from other YouTubers. I bought a nice Coach from Dale. Flippin' Fiasco, I think. Yeah, I bought a nice Coach for my daughter. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Ooh. Wow. A little bit of dirt there, but look at this. This is just beautiful. That is all patent leather. Yep. On the canvas, signature C's, nice heavy hardware with Coach. Got 3 hang tags on this one. Wow, I've got this little metal one here. Oh, no, it's not metal. That's leather, and that's leather, and that's metal. Wow, this is nice. Please don't be factory. No, it's not. Looky there. And that is 130011. So it's got a zipper pocket. It's got some for your keys. It's got, well, I don't know what this is. Oh, I guess it maybe clips your purse together. Yeah, so everything don't fall out. I love this one. And then it's got your 2 pockets on the other side. Let's see how dirty this liner is. It's just dirty. And it's got lots of hair in it. Ugh. But, bet me I can't get that clean. Alright, well, if I knew how to edit videos, I would do what I do to clean my bags. I mean, it's working for me. And I also found, I think, can't be sure yet because I just did a portion of those. You guys remember those Burberry shoes I got in that one designer box? I started cleaning just one to see if what I was doing worked, because nobody seems to know how to clean patent leather, you know, other than just wiping it down with warm soap and water. So I'm trying a few different things that I've been researching on the internet. Oh, can you hear that banging? My son's, he's a leather maker, as a hobby / sell. He does small custom things for people. He's making something tonight. So this is a great tote. This is awesome. It's huge. I love it. I am in love with both of these boxes. I am so excited. And they both came from Georgia. I don't think I'm going to say anything bad about Georgia anymore. I think it's just the luck of the draw, to be honest. We all want to know where your box came from, and especially the designer boxes. They do have, I think that rings true with the designer boxes, where they came from. I think one of my designer boxes that should be here probably tomorrow, since it didn't come today, is coming from Georgia. So I'm a little worried about that one. I don't remember where my last one came from. I think it was Arizona, but it was a really good box. It was a really good box. So I don't know. This is awesome. I'm so happy. Okay, look at Coach tote. I'm guessing I'm gonna call it the black cheetah tote, or hobo-ish satchel. Then we have your traditional black wristlet. Oh, I know. I bought some Coach shoes from Kristen. What is the name of her channel? I watch her stuff all the time. She does handbags and shoes and jewelry sales on her channel all the time. I just know her by Kristen. Anyway, I bought some Coach shoes from her, some heels, because I love them so much. And I don't even wear heels, but I got them because they were my size, and I'm going to wear them one day. I like to support other resellers. Anyway, crossbody, 25, 30 bucks on that one probably. This one's in good shape too, just like a tote, another tote. Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 5, yep. And then my handbag box Kate Spade sunglasses that I'm going to keep because I ordered some to sell. So I think I'm going to keep those for myself. This is like a teal, a blue, dark teal with bright blue and a gold and yellow. And it's just a canvas tote or crossbody. And it is Marc Jacobs. And Jacobs by Marc Jacobs. So somebody tell me, is this better than Marc by Marc Jacobs? And you know I'm going to look it up. But I'd rather you guys tell me because maybe I'll send Carrie T says a message because she knows all about this designer stuff. I have learned so much from her. I watch all of her designer stuff. This was the, I think the Rebecca Minkoff, right? Yep. So I'm going to do two. Little Kate Spade with just a little bit of work on the lining. And a beautiful Michael Kors. Means absolutely nothing. Guess what I'm listing tonight? After I pack up all my orders, I got 20 some more orders to pack up before I can go to bed. But I wanted to do this video because I was excited, and everybody loves to watch these unboxings of the handbags and the Coach and the designer. And I mean, I check, I don't know how many times a day on YouTube to see if somebody's uploaded something. And it's, they don't upload them often enough. So that's why I'm buying them. If you guys would buy more and upload more videos, I wouldn't buy so many. Anyway, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Or send me an email. I don't know. I'm always open to talking. So I enjoyed doing this for you tonight, and I will see you again probably tomorrow night. Thank you for watching, and Lily out.